This is Mr Tycoon, Atlanta REIA, and I'm coming to Atlanta REIA this Saturday with the Wholesale Renegade Takeover. I'm going to show you how to find the deal, how to figure the deal out, how to fund the deal to get it sold so that you can get the funds. Real simple, 4 steps, and I'm here to show you that you see my contracts. You're going to get my contract, my marketing material, my people that I go to, Yellow Letters and More, who makes all my marketing material, from my yellow letters to banner sign. Also, for those who attend, I will be sharing with you a list of certified vacant houses with the phone numbers that you can do dialing for dollars. In the building will be several of my superstar mentees, my platinum mentees will be in the building to share their experience of working with me, because I'm going to spill the beans and show you how to get boatloads of money this Saturday at Atlanta REIA. Look forward to seeing you in the building. Mr. Tycoon, the Wholesale Renegade event takeover is taking place this Saturday. Yes, I am the king of wholesaling. See you in the building. Mr. Tycoon.